Yes, hello. Welcome to your speaking test today for Academy Stars 1, Unit 7 and 8. So, are you ready? Yes, but before we begin, can you introduce yourself? What is your name? Anna. And how old are you, Anna? How are you today? You are so happy today. So, are you ready to begin your speaking test? Yes, okay. So your speaking test, it has four parts. So we will now begin for the first part of your speaking test. So here in this part, you will identify the object. You will just answer, is it number 1, 4, 5, 8, or 9? So are you ready? Yes. Yes. Okay, so let's begin. Where is the girl's head? Is it 1, 4, 5, 8, or 9? It's 1. 1. Number 1. Good job. Okay, where is the girl's leg? Number 8. Okay, where is the girl's hand? Number 4. Where is the girl's skirt? Number 5. And where is the girl's shoes? Number? Wow. Okay, good job. So let's move to the boy. Where is the boy's ear? Number 3. Good job. Where is the boy's trousers? Wow. Okay, good job. Where is the boy's t-shirt? All right. Where is the boy's cup? And where is the boy's socks? Okay, good job for the first part of your speaking test. Let's move on to the second part of your speaking test. So here, what is this? Okay, so you please move it to the girl's head. Okay, that's okay. How about this? What's that? It's a jacket. Is it for girls or for boys? For boys. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this, Anna? What's this? Shoes. What is the color? Is it for girls or for boys? Girls, okay. Okay, you can move it. So let's move on here. What's that? It's a dress. What is the color of the dress? Yes, very good. Is it for boys or for girls? Yeah. Is it for boys? It's for the girls. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this? Sorry. Eyeglass. Yes, you can move it. Can you see the arrow here? You can move it. Here. Up. Oopsie. You can use the arrow here. Okay. It's so big. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. How about this? Another eyeglass. Is it for boys or for girls? Okay, good job. And the last one is shoes. Okay. Here you can click it and then you can move it. You're inside. Okay. Okay. Okay, good job, Anna. Okay, great job. So let's move on to the third part of your speaking test. So which one is not for girls? Picture 1, picture 2, 3, or 4? Picture 3. Wow, great job, Anna. Okay, next. Which one is not for boys? Picture 2. Wow. Okay, and which one is not a body part? Picture 1. Yes, very good. And which one is not clothes? Yes, picture 4. Good job, Anna. And which one is not a winter cloth? Picture 3. Yes, good job. We are finished for the third part. So let's move on to the last part of your speaking test. So here you need to answer all the questions. So the first question is, what are you wearing today? Yes, good job. And jackets. And what do you wear in winter? I wear. Oh wow, great job. And what do you wear in summer? In summer. Okay, good job. Have you got short or long hair? Long hair. Okay, very good. Who is your friend in the classroom? Mary and Elsa. Okay, what is Elsa wearing today? She is shirt and trousers. How about your mom? Does your mom wear dresses? Okay. And how about your dad? What does your dad wear in winter? He wears in winter, yes, in winter. Again, what does your dad wear in winter? Okay, good job. So we are finished with your speaking test today. Job well done. Okay, so before we end your speaking test, can you say bye? Bye. Good job, Anna. Okay, see you again on our speaking test. Bye.